These are the exact English conversations you will face in real life. And today, I am teaching you every single one, step by step. Fluent Speak Lab. Real English for real life situations. Subscribe now and never feel lost in a conversation again. Here is something that every English learner knows, but nobody likes to admit. Textbook English and real-life English are two completely different languages. In a textbook, you learn to say, "Excuse me, could you please direct me to the nearest dining establishment?" In real life, nobody talks like that. In real life, people say, "Hey, do you know any good places to eat around here?" This gap between textbook English and real life English is exactly why so many learners, people who studied for years, freeze completely the moment they walk into a real English-speaking situation. The language they learned does not match the language they hear, and the language they hear, they were never taught. Today, I am closing that gap. 5 real situations. Real, natural phrases. Repeat everything out loud with me. Situation 1. Meeting someone new. This happens everywhere. At work, at a party, at school, in a waiting room. Here are the exact phrases you need. "Hi, I am. And your name here. It is really nice to meet you." Say it out loud now. So, how do you know a person's name? Say it. "I have actually heard a lot of great things about you." Say it. "What do you do for work? Or are you a student?" Say it. "That is really interesting. How long have you been doing that?" Say it. Practice these 5 phrases until they feel automatic. They cover 90% of every first meeting you will ever have. Situation 2. Ordering food at a restaurant. This is one of the most common anxiety moments for English learners. Here is exactly what to say. "Hi, could I get your order, please?" Say it. "Actually, what do you recommend?" Say it. "I will go with that. Thank you." Say it. "Could I also get extra item on the side?" Say it. "And could I get a check when you get a chance?" Say it. 5 phrases. Every restaurant situation handled. Practice them now. Let us keep going because we have 3 more situations to cover, and every single one is going to make your real life English dramatically more confident. Situation 3. Shopping and asking for help in a store. This feels simple, but so many English learners avoid asking for help in stores because they do not know exactly what to say. After today, that stops. "Excuse me, could you help me find something?" Say it out loud. "I am looking for item. Do you know where I might find that?"
Say it.
"Do you have this in a different size or color?" Say it. "How much does this cost? Or is this on sale?" Say it. "I think I will just take this one. Thank you so much for your help." Say it. Notice something about all of these phrases. They are polite but natural. They are short but complete. They sound like something a real person would say, not something from a language textbook. That combination, polite and natural and short, is the sweet spot of real-life English. In every service situation, 시츄에이션 furu, asking for directions and understanding the answer. This is a situation that makes most English learners most nervous. Because not only do you have to speak, you have to understand what comes back at you. Here is what to say and what to listen for. "Hey, sorry to bother you. Do you know how to get to place name?" Say it. "Is it very far from here? Can I walk?" Say it. "Sorry, could you say that one more time? I want to make sure I got that." Say it. "So I go straight and then turn left or right at the traffic light." Say it. "Thank you so much. I really appreciate it." Say it. That last phrase, "I really appreciate it," is one of the warmest, most natural phrases in everyday American English. Use it constantly. In every situation where someone helps you, it sounds genuine, warm, and completely fluent every single time. Directions, conversations, move fast. Do not panic if you miss something. That 3rd phrase, could you say that one more time? Is your safety net. Use it without embarrassment. Native speakers use it to one more situation, and then I am giving you the complete practice method to make all 5 of these stick permanently. Situation 5. Making small talk in any social situation. Small talk is the glue of American social life. At the office, at a party, waiting in line, on public transport. Small talk happens everywhere and for English learners, it is often the most intimidating English situation of all because unlike ordering food or asking directions, small talk has no script. It can go anywhere. But here is the secret about small talk that nobody tells you. Small talk is not really about what you say. It is about showing genuine interest in the other person. And these phrases do exactly that. So what have you been up to lately? Say it out loud. How has your week been, busy or relaxing? Say it. Oh, that is so funny. I was just thinking about that. Say it. Honestly, I know exactly what you mean. Say it. We should definitely catch up properly sometime soon. Say it. These 5 small talk phrases will carry you through almost every casual, social situation in English. They show interest. They invite the other person to talk. They keep the conversation warm and moving forward. Now, here is your complete practice method for all 5 situations. Step 1. Read through all 5 situations out loud right now from beginning to end. Every phrase out loud. Do not skip any. Step 2. Come back to this video tomorrow and do it again. Same thing. All 5 situations. All phrases out loud. Step 3. This week. Use at least one phrase from each situation in a real English interaction. A message counts. A voice note counts. A real conversation counts. Any real usage counts. Step 4. Every time. You are about to enter one of these 5 real-life situations. Take 30 seconds beforehand and mentally run through the phrases for that situation. Just 30 seconds of mental preparation dramatically reduces anxiety and dramatically increases fluency in the moment. You now have a complete real-life English conversation toolkit. 5 situations, 25 phrases, all natural, all practical, all tested in real American daily life. You are not a beginner anymore. You are prepared. Go use these today. Save this video. This is your real-life English guide forever. Right now in the comments, tell me which situation makes you most nervous. I read every single comment. Hit like. Subscribe to Fluent Speak Lab. Real life English starts today. Go use these phrases. Let's go!